Hello, I'm Pearl Pretorius, one of the co-chairs of the Faculty Transformation Committee. 70 years ago, the Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences was established with a clear purpose: to educate health professionals and advance medical knowledge in service of society. Since starting in 1956, we have grown into a leading academic and clinical institution, guided by excellence, curiosity, and a strong commitment to the communities we serve.
Hello, I am Gugu Kali, the other co-chair of the Faculty Transformation Committee. Over 7 decades, the faculty has trained generations of doctors, nurses, therapists, and researchers. They have gone on to work in hospitals, clinics, laboratories, and lecture halls, responding to changing health needs, scientific progress, and global challenges. Alongside these achievements runs another important story for our country, that of transformation. Njengoko uMzantsi Afrika waqalisa uhambo lotshintsho, abanjalo nokuqonda kwefaculty indima yayo. Utshintsho kungokunje luthetha ngaphaya kokwanda okanye udumo. Into efunekayo luthetho-thethwano olunyanisekileyo ngembali yethu, ukuqatshelwa kokukhethelwa bucala kunye nokungalingani. Ngaphezu koko, nokuzinikela ekubeni liziko lemfundo elixabise isidima, ukulingana nokwamkeleka kwabantu bonke balo.
70 jaar oud vanjaar staan die fakulteit Geneeskunde en Gesondheidswetenskappe as 'n lewendige instelling, bewus van sy verlede, verantwoordbaar in die hede en doelgerig oor die toekoms. Ons nalatenskap word nie slegs in jare gemeet nie, maar in die lewens wat verbeter is, stemme wat ingesluit is en volgehoue verbintenis tot gesondheid, menswaardigheid en geregtigheid. We look forward to more amazing new transformation breakthroughs with you all in it.